Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 27th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So before we get started, I need to mention that next week I am on vacation, so the next YouTube videos will be out on Monday, October 7th. But next week I definitely will still be doing my swing trading, and I definitely still will be providing entries to my members. So if you want to check that out, then check out my website, which is linked down here. So anyways, I do think this is very likely a wave 3, and I do still very likely think this is a wave 4, and eventually it's going to go back up for a wave 5. I still think it's going to make 3 waves down to probably the 50% retracement level before it keeps on trending up. So going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this right here is a wave A. I think we are now in an ABC of wave B, which I still don't think this is over, and I still think eventually it's going to go back down for a wave C. You have to keep in mind that this is a weekly time frame pattern, which means it's going to take many weeks, many months to play out for this wave 4. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, definitely a very impulsive move down. I'm still honestly not really convinced that this wave B is over though. I think this is the A. I think this is A, B, C. But I actually think this thing has a lot more upside potential to finish off the wave B. I still think it's going to go up to the 138, 123 level before it goes down and makes the bigger wave C. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, definitely a big breakdown. Now the pound, it's not quite so obvious, but if we use other yen pairs for correlated pairs, I think that the wave ends right here. I think this is the end of a wave 1. Like I said, it's not so obvious on the pound, but I definitely think because of correlated pairs that we are probably likely in a wave 2 right now, and that eventually it's going to go back up for a wave 3. So like a 1, 2, 3 of wave C, which should be a wave C of wave B. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I would definitely be watching my Fibonacci retracement levels very closely. I would want to see like a double bottom and a break of structure, which does not have to happen now. It could easily keep going down and do it at any one of these Fibonacci levels. What level it turns out is not important. That what's important is recognizing the double bottom breaker structure so that you can stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again. Until you actually see this picture right here, I would definitely be looking for shorts. Just keep in mind that I think that this right here is very likely a bear trap. I think that there's a wave 1 and a wave 2, and I think eventually it's going to go back up for a wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.